Good morning, everybody. We are in day 2 of our Kanchanaburi trip, and today we're going to Erawan National Park.
So before you get to the Erawan waterfalls, there is a stop where you can buy some food. So I think since it's about lunchtime, we're gonna buy some grilled chicken, so some kayang, and also some pork neck collar, and we're gonna eat it with some sticky rice. So we're gonna do a little picnic. Pork neck collar is really good. It has fat that's inside of it, or inside the meat. You can also buy these picnic mats. It's 120 baht, so about $4, and it's just a mat just like this. You can unroll it and you can sit on it. So I just bought one. A lot of people selling these floaties, so that should be nice. I really want one, but I don't know what I'll do with it after or where I'll keep it. But they have a pretzel that I've been eyeing, a pretzel floaty. Yeah. So we are riding on a golf cart because, so this waterfall is, the first layer of the waterfall, the bottom layer is 1 kilometers, you have to walk 1 kilometers to get there. So we decided to pay $1 each to ride the golf cart to take us there because we're gonna have to climb the waterfall. So we're gonna save some of our energy and ride the golf cart. First layer waterfall just straight ahead over there. There's a lot of people here, so we're actually going to pass this one. We're not going to stop here. We're going to keep going and we're going to climb up. It's about 1 kilometer walk or a trek hike up all the way to the 7th layer. These leaves are huge, so beautiful. Check this out. Look at just one of these. Look how big that leaf is. So, if it rains later, I know where to get my umbrella. Dry evergreen forest, Mong Lai Nature Trail. So it's about 1,000 meters, about 1 kilometer. It takes about 45 minutes to walk. Alright, let's go.
Alright, here's the 2nd layer waterfall, and it's really pretty.
Alright, we are eating lunch at the 2nd waterfall because after the 2nd waterfall, you cannot bring any food up. So there's a security check that doesn't allow you to bring food up. So that's actually a good thing to help preserve the forest. The 2nd waterfall is really pretty. You can see inside there's a grotto. So we're just eating simple. We're eating chicken and sticky rice. So let's have some lunch.
We had a gorgeous view for lunch, and now we're ready to hike. Let's go! Bye, fishies!
Alright, let's go. More steps. We're walking through the jungle.
Hello, waterfall number 4. So we're not going to stay at number 4, we're going to keep going up to number 5, 6, and 7.
Alright, we are at number 5. Number 5 is beautiful. It's got so many layers. Look at the limestone. And the water is a little bit cloudy. And you can see the huge fish. Love it. This one's gorgeous. Number 7 is, we're not there yet. It's quite a trek up. After you pass 6, 6 was quite a lot of work to get to. Number 7 is even more. Lots of steps, lots of rocks to climb, so if you are not a very good climber, you gotta be a little bit careful. Everyone is slipping here. You gotta wear the proper shoes. Like such. These ones are my Nikes that are mesh and they can also go into the water. Look at that. Just keep moving.
Alrighty, we made it to level 6. Let's go to level 7. Up, up, up.
Look at that guy chilling. We got a good spot over there. Alright, we made it. 7-step Pupa Erawan, end of the trail. Number 7. Made it to the top. There's my dad, already made it up there. It's a natural fish spa or a natural foot spa. These fish are eating your dead skin. It's so ticklish. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so ticklish. The fish have really tiny teeth. You can kind of feel their teeth kind of scratching against your skin while they eat your dead skin cells. It doesn't hurt, it just kind of tickles. Oh, look how many there are. Oh, they're biting my butt. My butt's also in the water. Bad idea. Oh my god, you do not get used to this, man. So the fish are eating. Look at that, so beautiful. This one's beautiful. There's nobody right now. We're on our way out right now, and this is waterfall number 4. But look at the water, so beautiful. This one's so beautiful. You can actually slide down the 2 rocks. I saw people do it earlier, but the park is closing right now, so I don't have time to slide, so that means I gotta come back. Can you see the fish?
I loved Erawan Falls. This is by far the best part of our Kanchanaburi trip. The pools of water were so amazing. I can't wait to come back again. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked the video, please click the like button down below now, and don't forget to subscribe to Eat with Peanuts. Thanks.